stock, crypto, credit moves. Good morning, YouTube. Back for another video. On this video, I wanted to bring an app that's called Moonarch, Miners and Farmers. So what it does is it tracks all of the miners out. So right now there's 175 miners that are being tracked on the BSC. So what this app does, it actually gives us a performance of how each miner is doing daily, and it actually updates all the time. So it tracks how much the fees are, how old the miners are, the daily returns, the amount of money, which is TVL in each platforms, and how each is performing daily. Also, what I like about it is, I'm gonna go ahead and connect here. Also, what I like here is it actually gives you a balance how much you have in each one of your wallets. Like it'll tell you how much you have in Spook Beans. And also too, it will tell you how much you're estimated to make in 24 hours. So it's a cool app. And it'll actually show you how much you actually you have that you can withdraw. So I just thought that this app would be pretty cool to put on my channel. I like it. It shows me how much I'm making in an hour, and it's just something good to track instead of having to try to figure it out on your own. This app does everything for you. But I'm not your financial advisor. Just on here trying to show you what I'm doing. Like, share, subscribe, comment. And until next time, signing off.